When you're listed as an instructor for a training or workshop in Cornerstone, you'll be able to do some additional tasks. You can view and print the roster for your workshop, manually add and withdraw users, and take roll. When you log in, you should now have one or more extra tabs in the navigation bar at the top of your screen. As of the making of this video, those tabs are the Reports tab, the ILT tab, and the Admin tab, but this may change as we roll out later phases. If you don't have any extra tabs at all, the first thing you'll want to check is that the training or event you're leading is listed in the Cornerstone calendar. From the homepage, click on any of the days in the calendar. This will take you to the main calendar screen. Go through the various months and see if the training that you're the instructor for is listed. If you don't see your event on the calendar, please send an email to Carrie Nakayama. Her email is knakayama@elcamino.edu, or you can call extension 3868. If the event is listed on the calendar and you're the instructor, but you don't have any of the extra tabs, please email Carrie. Her contact info, once again, is knakayama@elcamino.edu.